Hello all, welcome to our video. In this video, I'll be elaboratively talking about the unit of human resource technology. Like the name says, it explores the intersection and relationship of human resource management and digital technology. Like we have talked in our previous videos that human resource department plays a very important role in an organization in order to ensure that right fit employees are recruited in the organization. Also, the employees are happy working in the organization. In order to increase the efficiency of their working, human resource department in today's organization make use of data analytics, AI, HR softwares in order to increase their efficiency of working. Also, in order to ensure that right decisions are taken in respect to payrolls of employees and adequate benefits are provided to them according to the performance delivered by the employees. So, every decision that they take is supported by a software use and data use. So, in order to ensure that fair decisions are taken in the organization. So, this unit helps students in understanding how to incorporate the use of HR softwares and AI and data analytics in order to ensure that HR department takes fair decisions for each employee working in the organization. So the core focus areas that are covered in this unit includes HR information systems. So HR department makes use of softwares. So this unit helps the student to understand the working, the implementation and understanding the architecture of these digital systems and software so that it becomes easier for the employees to manage employee data when they'll be working in the organizations. So students will be trained on using and learning how to manage employee data and how to deploy this data into HRIS systems in order to arrive at fair and proper decisions that are fair, that are considered fair by every employee working in the organization. So you can expect that by the end of the unit, the students will be well aware of the HRIS systems that are deployed and employed by the HR department of the modern organizations. The second key focus area of this unit is data-driven decision making. So while they'll be knowing the architecture of the softwares, they will also be trained on using these softwares to arrive at data-driven decisions. They'll be knowing how to make use of HR analytics, how to clean the data, how to deploy the data into softwares, and how to measure workforce performance, turnover, and productivity. So all of these factors will be measured using softwares, and the students will be learning how to arrive at data-driven decisions using these softwares. So third key focus area of this unit is digital transformation. So technology has changed everything around us, and so does technology has changed the core functions, the way in which the functions are performed in HR department of any modern organization. So in this unit, the students will be learning how to make use of technology for simple decisions like talent acquisitions, onboarding, and performance management of the employees working in the organization. They'll be well aware about the up-to-date technology that is being used in the modern day organizations today in order to ensure that right talent is recruited in the organizations, performance is managed accurately, and the benefits and payrolls are distributed to the employees fairly by the organization. The fourth core focus area of this unit is emerging tech ethics. So like any department of the organization, HR department also needs to adhere by the ethical standards. There are certain standards that need to be followed by the HR department in order to ensure that they are fair to every employee working in the organizations. So they'll be learning about those ethical standards. Also, there are certain standards that they need to adhere by while making use of technology, because that is the key focus area of this unit, that is technology. So this unit will also make them aware about the ethics related to the technology use. of in artificial intelligence, algorithm bias, and cybercrime that happens within the HR processes. So they'll be aware about the ethics, about the crimes that can happen during the HR processes, so that they take decisions, that they are well aware about how to take fair decisions and be in the ethical standards while they are performing any function related to HR. So it can be learned from the all key focus areas that by the end of the unit, the student will not just be aware about the technologies that are used by the modern organization, they'll be well equipped to make use of these softwares and take data driven decisions for the employees in the organization. Also, they'll be well aware about the ethics and the crimes that are happening during the HR processes. So they'll be knowing what ethics and what standards are to be followed while while incorporating technology in their HR processes. Also, what should not be done and what should be done in order to ensure that fair decisions are taken for all employees in the organization. Now we'll be talking about the assessments that come under this unit in order to ensure that the students just not have the theoretical knowledge of the technology used in HR processes, but also the practical knowledge. So the first assessment that comes under this unit is digital HR audit, that has 30% weightage. The topic of this assessment is technology adoption. The task that will be provided in this assessment is that you will be analyzing how a specific organization, you will be mentioned a name of the organization in this. So you will be searching about how a specific organization uses technology for HR functions. So while you will be searching, researching and knowing the details of the technologies that are used by the modern organizations today, you'll become well aware about the trendy and the up-to-date technologies that are being used by the organizations in the market. So you might look at AI-driven recruitment tools or digital onboarding portals. So you'll be aware about the technologies, also the portals, also the AI technologies that are being used by the modern organizations today in order to ensure that right talent is recruited in the organization. So this entire assessment, in which you will be researching about a company, holds 30% weightage. The assessment 2 is HRIS implementation program. So this actually requires your practical knowledge. That's why it has the most weightage. It has 40% weightage. The topic is data driven decision making. In this assessment, you will be provided with a case study. You are asked to select a new technology. You need to select a technology, for example, a shift bidding app for hospital staff, and create a business case. You must address data privacy, cyber security, and how the tech improves the ROI, that is return on investment. The company must have invested something on that technology, so you need to describe in large that how that investment will make a return to the organization, how it will benefit to the organization. So in this entire assessment, you will be choosing a technology, then you will be addressing all the data privacy standards, all the ethics, all the cyber security standards and all concerns that can arise in the use of that technology. Also, how that tech improves the outcome, the strategic outcomes for that company. So this is an entire case in which you will be learning that how to implement the technology, what standards needs to be followed, what concerns are need to be taken care of, and what exactly can be the benefit of that technology. This was about assessment 2. The third assessment will be the final examination that can be in form of an online test, and it will hold 30% weightage. It covers the ethics of AI in HR and future of work, that is automation, gig economy. So in this, you'll be referring to the research papers that are written on human resource technology, and you will be suggesting and highlighting the automation technology that may come in future. In this assessment, you'll be talking about the future of human resource management, and also you'll be mentioning the things that are about to come in the industry, the trends that may about to come in the industry. In this In this assignment, the assessor or your supervisor will be knowing that you have the research capabilities to find out the trends that may come in the future. So in this entire discussion, we have discussed that there are 3 assessments under this unit. Assessment 1, which is digital HR audit, that holds 30% weightage. Second assessment was HRIS implementation project, which holds 40% weightage. And third is final examination, that can be the form of online test, that holds 30% weightage. So this was it about the unit of human resource technology. If you have any doubt related to human resource concept or any technology that you want me to discuss in the further videos, you can please write down in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much.